War day number 1022. 1022 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, December the 11th, 2024. And I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper, no additional. So only these three puzzles are today in the newspaper, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the binary and this one, the Sudoku with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started, and this one will be number 9732. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, question is this a really 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 2 threes. We have here 3 fours. We have here 2 fives, 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, and 4 nines. Well. Can I start with a 9? 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between middle column, no, only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this column, so no 1 and 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the second row. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 8, 3, 3, 3. Need a 7 here. 7 in this. Oh, we have also 4 sevens overlooked. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 7s we here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have 7 in this row, third row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Can I go back to the 9? No, I can't. Still, I cannot finish with the 9. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4. 2, 4, 5, that means 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 6 goes there. 6, 6. Need a 3 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 2, 2. I need 8, there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. How about the number 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Now only place left the 4. It should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing number. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those boxes in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 2 here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. Need a 5 here. 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, 7, 9. Need a 5 here. And need a, come on. Need a 1 here. Alright, 2 numbers left in the last column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 9. Yeah. Okay, and now 5, 6, 8, and the 2. In this row, we need a 2. Yeah, we need a 2 in this row. Well, here give me 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here give me 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. Only place level 2 in this row should be there. So 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the 4, we have a 2 now in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row, so the row between. Only place left, the 4, it should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between. The second row, the only place left, the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now, the 2 and the 5 are left. Okay, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright, 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so in that row. Only place left 8 should be there. The 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8 and the 6. I need a 6 here too. How about these 3? Oh, these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left on the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 1, 5, and the 6 is missing, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. Well. How about these 2 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Well, we need a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second column, so the fifth column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 5 or 6, we have a 6 now in this big square. So this box should be a 5. 5 or 6, we have a 5 in the first column. So this box can be 5 and more. This box should be a 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Then 1 is missing, the 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And the 3 is missing. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left. 1 could be here, could be there. Cannot fill this yet. Well, this box in this second row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing here. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Yeah. Need a 6 there, need a 6 there here. Come on. 2, 8, and need a 5 here. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 box left. No, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for 5 should be there. And the final number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Finished in 13 minutes. Cannot believe this. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars and faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with a third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.